In this video, I'll show you how to disable background apps on Windows. First method is to disable apps individually. Press the Windows key and type Settings. Click on the Settings icon and then in the left-hand menu, select Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Scroll through your list of installed apps, click on the three dots next to an app and select Advanced Options. Under Background App Permission, choose Never to prevent the app from running in the background. The second method is to disable all background apps on Windows 11. Press the Windows key and type Reg Edit. Click on Registry Editor and confirm any prompts to open it. Now, expand HKey Local Machine. Go to Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Right-click on the Windows folder and select New, Key and name it App Privacy with a capital A and P. Click on the App Privacy folder, right-click on the white space on the right side and select New, dword 32-bit value and name it. And name it Let Apps Run in Background. Capitalize the first letter of each word. Now double-click on the Let Apps Run in Background, change the value data from 0 to 2 and click OK. Just know that this will stop all background apps from running. If you want to re-enable background apps later, change the value data back to 0. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.